All I need is no fuck. Yeah.
The young drug, it is on you. I say the teen, you say the dough and the egg. Let's get it in teen.
Yo, GBB, are you ready for the hip hop? You don't wanna mess with us unless the flow we hate to crush you. You wanna go 100% like a witness, you with the baby plan B. Young drug ain't no friendly. Got a sushi bar, babe, the tasty. Who cares about Sound of Sony without a pseudo GBB is empty. Here's that T-Y-T,
yeah, T-Y-T, yeah, T-Y-T. Everyone T-Y-T, yeah, T-Y-T, yeah, T-Y-T, yeah, T-Y-T. We the young drug. Oh.
In a minute, get it how you living. They ain't toes in, maybe standing up in the summer. Big stepper, underground mentor. Top notch, host, get the most, not the lesser. Drink terror, running out your effort. Pushing got your baby, got that proud that you can measure. Wait a minute, GBP, wait a minute, what? Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. With a young drug.
And that's time! The young drug with round one right there. And the response is coming. Sound of Sony. Before we start, quick mic check. It is on the Sound of Sony. You already know what to do. I say the sun, you say the knee and the each. In sun!
Hey yo, GBB, 調子どうすか OK あとベースタラベルあとウェイブ Just take it right GBB 楽しい声くれえいえい Everybody clap, 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 clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Everybody jump. And the switch. 오메가 세또 다이세. Everybody. 하메 Do you wanna battle?
Time! Sound of Sony bringing that battle back to the Young Drug as they take a quick second, making sure those microphones are still good for y'all, making sure that you're good for y'all, making sure that you got those mics cracking. You ready for round 2? Keeping that energy up, back to the Young Drug. Right here, live and direct, Grand Beatbox Battle 2024. I say the teen, you say the do and the ek. In teen!
Serenade my life, writing your song one last time, lover in disguise, where I only belong. Hold my hand, tell me about you one last time, lover in disguise, where I only belong.
Yo, Tokyo, are you ready? You know this song? Yeah, everybody. I wonder if you know how to live in Tokyo. If you see me, then you mean it, then you know you have to go fast and furious. Fast and furious. We give it pop boys, so not give us full of the chopper. Back and I get my back, are you prone to lose? And the mic is wonderful. And then I'm gonna sing your story, vocals, man, go show me. She gon' go there, man, I need you to step on the hit you like one is switch up. But they gonna bet you, but they can't make this out of shining down with this fucking energy. But the champion, they don't catch you, you do it, so like that. Fit, get it, pick up, and something that they can say, they look at me, she like, that baby, I think stay lazy, and I couldn't get me going chill. Try to go to rock, my this midnight. Yo, GBB, with this beat drops, I want y'all to go crazy, okay? I want y'all to sit down, sit down. When I say jump down, 1, 2, 3, no. Jump. Sound of Sony more like sound the same all the time.
And that's time. With the response going back, Sound of Sony, it's on you. Making sure that your microphone's ready, nice and going. Sound of Sony, I say the sun, you say the knee and the H. In sun!
みんなごめん、優勝できんかったけど、ここ取って絶対3位になるから最後までついてきてくれ。よっしゃ、最後行くぞみんな。 Everybody say Omega, come on. Everybody say Omega, come on. Okay. Let's go. Let's get it. Omega combo. Okay, let's see it. This is our original song. You've been second in the line. Listen. 夢探れるよ夢探れるよ満たされるよされるよ夢探れるよ満たされるよ探れるよショータイムCBB, last trap. Hey yo! Yule sagarero, ita sariro.
Time. The Young Drug, Sound of Sony. What did you think of the small final in the crew division? All right, Sound of Sony Omega versus the Young Drug. This is the small final for the crew. The winners will be going home with $1,500 US. Slizzer, I need you to go and take in your hand each one of them. And I need you guys to go and help me out. We are gonna find out who won the small finals. Sound of Sony Omega or the Young Drug. Crowd, help out Slizzer. Sound of Sony Omega! What's poppin'? Once again, Sound of Sony Omega. Please come together. Sound of Sony Omega. Crep Sleeve, come on over here. Congratulations. Congratulations. You might want to get on this. You might want to get on this picture right here. Look at our friends right here. Get a picture. Small Final Champions 2024 Grand Beatbox Battle. Give it up for Sound of Sony Omega. Also, coming all the way from India, making a huge impression on me and on you. You gentlemen did amazing. Can I please get a big round of applause for the Young Drug? I can't wait to see where you guys go next in your career. And make sure that you go and follow up. I'm gonna say this every single time, but make sure you follow up online, get those stream numbers up, share their music, make sure that beatboxing gets known around the world.